Welcome back everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your MacBook is overheating like crazy. Now this can happen for a couple different reasons, but the number one thing that I always look at whenever my MacBook overheats is to actually see what is making it overheat in the first place. And so what I do is I make my way over to my activity manager. So what you want to do is you want to click on the little search bar up top and you want to go ahead and type in activity. Typically the activity monitor is the one that I'm actually talking about. You want to go ahead and open that up, and what it's going to look like is going to be a bunch of different apps that are going to be showcased, and you want to make sure you're under the energy toggle. So what I do here is I pretty much just look through every single one of these applications. Most of them under the energy impact one will have a 0 or a 1, but sometimes you will see certain applications that may be like 50 or 60 or 100 or 200, maybe even more than that. I've never seen more than 200, but if you see a specific, app that's taking up a bunch of, energy in that specific thing, your best case is to probably close out of those applications. Now, there are some caveats here. If you're running a massive software for a project, or you're a coder and you need to run something, or if you're a video editor and you're exporting a bunch of videos and stuff, your MacBook is going to overheat no matter what. I've had iMacs and MacBooks and the latest ones even, and they overheat like crazy whenever you're doing any heavy intensive things on it. But if you're just like rebooted your MacBook and it's already overheating and there's no apps or anything, then that's a bigger issue. So go through here, see what specific applications are taking up a lot of storage. Now, if you look through there and nothing is taking up a lot of storage or energy or whatever, and you're still having, your fans overheat, the next thing I typically do is I see how old that MacBook is. In this specific case, I have an M1 MacBook. So if my fans start overheating, I will probably just restart my MacBook and that will pretty much fix the issue. But I've also had very old MacBooks, 2012 MacBooks and 2015 MacBooks. And although those aren't extremely old, they are not as optimized as the newer ones, specifically with the M1 chips. So if you have any of the Intel Macs, including even the most expensive 16-inch MacBooks I've had, those things overheat all the time. So no matter what you really do, there's no way to really turn off those fans. They're going to overheat unless you pick up something like an M1 MacBook. So in that specific case, what I'd recommend doing is powering off your MacBook, powering it back on, and seeing if that fixes the issue. But like I mentioned, no matter what you do, if you're running a bunch of heavy intensive games and you're exporting videos and stuff, your MacBook is going to overheat, and there's not really too much stuff you can do about it in that specific case. So that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.